In today's video, I will talk about the number one thing that you need to have if you want to make millions of dollars with crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free Bitcoin on every single purchase. Right now, Bitcoin is down big time, and this credit card will earn you even more free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last couple of weeks, the crypto market has been crashing. We are seeing lower lows every single day, it seems. Bitcoin is all the way down to 40,000. Ethereum is around $3,000, and pretty much every other altcoin is down as well. But in my opinion, there's definitely a high chance of us seeing even lower numbers in the weeks to come. But I believe at the end of spring, beginning of summer, we are going to have another massive rally. And hopefully that rally, we will see even higher highs than we have seen last year. That is just my personal opinion. But the market is definitely not looking good right now. A lot of new people that are investing in crypto, they're investing for one reason and one reason only, and that is to make a boatload of money, to quit their 9-to-5 job, to get that Lambo, to buy that mansion, to pretty much make as much money as they possibly can. And with crypto, that is definitely possible. But in my opinion, a lot of people are doing it the wrong way. They're jumping from one hot coin to another. And in my opinion, that is not investing. That is straight up gambling. Don't get me wrong. They're going to get lucky a couple times. They're going to turn that $1,000 into $5,000, that $5,000 into $10,000, that $10,000 into $20,000. And then they're going to turn that $20,000 back to $1,000 when their luck runs out. Real investing takes time. And here's the number one thing that you need in order to become a millionaire with crypto. And it is patience. A lot of us, including myself, sometimes get too excited. We jump into projects we don't do our research on. We go from one coin to another, from one hot category to the next. But we fail to realize that patience is where people make the most money. This is true for stocks and crypto, also real estate. For example, take a look at Ethereum. Last year, it hit an all-time high of almost $5,000 per coin. But in 2015, it was trading at a couple of dollars. Those people that bought Ethereum for $1 and then sold it for $5 a couple months later made a good return on their money. But if they just held on to their Ethereum, if they were simply patient, they could have made millions of dollars a couple of years later. Don't get me wrong, it is very difficult to predict what project will do well 5 years from now. But patience definitely is the key to getting rich with crypto. The same thing goes for real estate and the stock market. Just imagine if you would have bought Amazon, Facebook, Google 5-10 years ago. Right now, you will be sitting on a boatload of money. One other thing that I would like to mention, people that invest in crypto, including myself, we tend to have the least amount of patience. Just look at your mom or your dad and their retirement plan, their 401k. When their 401k goes up 7%, 8% a year, they're extremely happy. Probably you end up going on a vacation in Florida that year, but they are extremely happy for making 7, 8, 9% a year in their 401k. But for us in the crypto space, 7% a year is absolutely nothing. We can literally open up a free BlockFi account. Link will be in the description box below. Deposit some money and then earn up to 10% APY on your stablecoin, pretty much risk-free. But to them, 7% is amazing. Just imagine if a YouTuber or a TikToker made a video like, yo, I just found this amazing brand new coin, low market cap. This thing can go to the moon, and I'm predicting that it will make you 7% a year. Not a single person watching this video, including myself, will be like, yo, that sounds great. Let me invest my money into that coin. We do not have the patience to wait one full year to make 7%. If it doesn't have 10x, 50x, 100x, 1000x in the title, I'm not buying. We have been conditioned to chase the hype, to chase the FOMO in order to make massive, massive gains. But if you really take a deep look into crypto and you realize how these whales become super rich and how they make millions and millions of dollars, they do so by holding, by being extremely patient. They buy a project that they believe in and they simply hold it. There's plenty of wallets out there that bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB 5 years ago, and they're still holding till this day. People absolutely love tracking the wallets of these big whales. And every time they make a new purchase in a brand new coin, they're like, yo, this thing is gonna blow up big time. They get in, they make a quick buck, and they get out. But guess what that whale is doing? That whale is accumulating and buying more and then simply holding for 5-10 years down the road, simply because they believe that project is going to be massive in the future. They have the patience, they have perfected that skill. Us, we're newbies when it comes to these big whales, simply because we do not have the patience. So for 2022, one of my New Year's resolutions is to be more patient. I want to create the patient portfolio. In this portfolio, I want to hold projects that I will not be selling for 5 years plus, no matter what. Projects like Polkadot, Ethereum, Chainlink, BNB, and a ton of other good ones that I believe are going to be the top leaders in their niches 5 years from now. This is definitely not financial advice, so please do your own research and do what is best for your portfolio. Don't get me wrong, definitely take profits on coins you are investing in, but have a long-term strategy if you want to make life-changing money. There has been plenty of times where I'm sitting with my friends and we're sharing stories of how we could have become filthy rich with crypto, how we could have bought Ethereum at $15, at $20, or BNB at $5, or Polkadot at $1, and the list goes on and on. And it all comes down to one thing, and that is patience. We did not have patience to hold these coins for 5+ years. We simply made a quick profit, got in, got out, and made a little bit of money, but missed out on millions and millions of dollars simply because we were not patient. I know it is extremely difficult to have patience when the entire crypto market is crashing, but that is an opportunity in itself. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what will you be working on in 2022? What's something that prevented you from making a boatload of money last year or the previous year? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.